Guys, Brett with New England Auto and Truck. Today we're parting out a 2013 Dodge Caravan, stock number N00761. Vehicle has 110K. Left knee complete, control arms, spindle, strut. We have 16-inch wheels on here, all in pretty good shape. Left door mirrors in good shape. Power, body color cover, non-heated. Left front door, you got a couple of minor pings here throughout the body, but overall still in pretty good shape. Left rear door, clean, listed, no damage, power, sliding, privacy, tint. Nice looking door. Quarter panel on the left side here. You got one small ping down at the bottom corner of that tail lamp, but overall still in great shape. Looking at a nice quarter glass here, privacy tint. Once again, you got a good rear beam axle in the vehicle. Left tail lamp, good shape, looking good, looking good. Got a good rear bumper rebar coming off of this. You got a nice deck lid in good shape too as well. Small ping directly under that license plate. And you got a little bit of finish going up toward the top of the right tail lamp, but overall still looking good. Good tail lamp on the right side here, right quarter panel in great shape. A couple small pings, a little baby buckle on that wheel well, but overall looking good. Glass, quarter glass good on the right rear door, listed, no damage. Again, privacy tint glass, power sliding. Small dent down toward the bottom of the door here on the right front, but still looking clean, still looking clean. Right door mirror, again, it's power, body color cover, heated. Fender, one tiny ping, very small. Hardly noticeable, still looks great. Right knee is going to go complete. That's control arm, spindle, strut. Somehow right headlamp is in great shape. Made it out. Still in there, still good. Let's take a look at the interior. Trims are in good shape. You got black and gray. Looking good all the way around. Got a good master switch here. Movable glass here on those back windows. Clean. Cloth, electric on the left, manual on the right. Seats are in pretty good condition here. Take a look at the passenger side seat. Nice and clean, no rips, tears, or burn holes in there. Second row, bucket seats, black cloth. Third row, 60/40, black cloth, all in good shape. Roof bag in the passenger side, still intact. Same with your dash bag over there. Glove box, looking good. Got a good receiver in the vehicle. RESID on the faceplate. No satellite, none whatsoever. Good master for heat and AC, manual control, 3-zone. Looking good. Center console also in great shape. Got a good steering column in here with the wheel. Minimal wear on that. Got a good wheel bag here. Good driver's side roof bag. Speedometer is in good condition as well. Let's get this key. That's disappointing. Okay. Come on now. You guys know the deal. 110-876. Give the sales team a shout with any questions you got. They're going to be more than happy to give you the help you need.